Good day to everyone. Tenen winya Nŋeebil into wana biyime Mangu Ilomo Joseph. It's Mangu Ilomo Joseph who is speaking. Sorry for the mixture of languages. That's English and konkomba. Some of our brothers are not understanding the language very well, and they are also interested in learning it. So we are going to be speaking both language so that the learning is going to be the two languages together so that they can also get to understand. You see the picture display, that is our beloved country Ghana, the flag, our beloved country Ghana, and the next beside this is our culture. We project our country Ghana, we project our culture. And the culture is the konkomba culture we are displaying. So yesterday we learned something about the ABCD. That's ABCD in Likpakpaln. Today we are going to be learning the two-letter words. We are going to learn two-letter words. Two-letter words. Mobile ŋilee. Funate fulen mobile beba. But bande mobile na kede pe ŋilee kede tam to de. Nkecha benkanyi ni ta na mongwe. So namachen katabambe dungwe. So chate pi kinya mobile ŋilee akpamwe. To mobile ŋilee number belele gbana akpamwe na mobile ŋilee gbana na man katabam pingbe. Tige ping ke do chenachi. Tige ping ke ba bi bo bo bu cha chi cho cho chu da di do do du ma mi mo mo mu ja ji jo jo ju nya ni nyo nyo nyu sa si so so su wa wi wo wo wu. So these are the two-letter words. These are some of them. That is not all. Some can still be combined with K-A or K-A, and you call them ka. And that is example of those words that we combine to form sentences or words like uka, ubu, una. So that is it. So thank you for your time today, and thank you for listening to me. I thank everyone for your time. And this is Likpakpaln to the world. The horn you see there, that is the representative for the picture that display when you type Likpakpaln to the world on Facebook. You see this, that's our page picture. So you click and like and follow the page and recommend the page to your friends so that we can grow the place and project the culture so the culture will reach our brothers and sisters who are far and those who are within. Thank you. And you also see this hawk with the other one on top. It means that we, the people of konkomba, wherever we are moving, we go along with our culture. That is why we use these pictures to represent the Facebook page. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Stay blessed.